So hello students, welcome to EduTap and welcome to this video. I hope all of you are doing really well, and today's video is going to be a little different because I'm going to share with you 3 amazing facts related to NABARD. I hope these facts will motivate you to prepare for NABARD Grade A 2023, and without talking much, let's jump into our first fact. Do you know what lie beyond NABARD? Do you know you can actually join NABARD without giving NABARD Grade A, NABARD Grade B, or even NABARD DA? Do you know even you join NABARD, you might be working for NABARD but not in NABARD. So yes, all these things can happen, and if you have guessed it, I am talking about NABARD subsidiaries. So there are basically 7 NABARD subsidiaries. And what happens, see, these subsidiaries now, you can either, after giving NABARD Grade A that you are preparing for, you can either get promoted and get transferred to these subsidiary, or otherwise what can happen, these subsidiaries also release some recruitment. You can check their website and join the NABARD with through these subsidiaries, right? So today we are going to talk about these subsidiaries, because again, if you're planning to go NABARD, if you're planning to join NABARD, so very much can happen that you will get transferred to these, and you can see how there might be some subsidies that is of your interest. So you can aim ki theek hai, I want to join this and I'll be working on that. So for that you need to know ki thoda sa inka function kya hota hai, that we are going to discuss next. And also see, these subsidiaries offer a lot of growth. So if you can get a chance to join these subsidiaries after joining through NABARD Grade A, that will be a huge success, I would say, right? It will be very good for your career. So without wasting time, let's take our first subsidiaries, that is NAB Kisan. So if I talk about NAB Kisan, now the name itself is HAL Kisan, right? So I have given the website. If you want to check their website, go check their website, and for every subsidiary the website is there, right? But NAB Kisan mein, see what is there. The Kisan means farmer. So you can remember the NAB Kisan subsidiary basically work for the farm activities related to either agriculture or the allied activities, right? So here you can say what it can be if we talk about the NAB Kisan. So here we have agriculture and allied activity, value chain, financing, MSME, and income generating. Jitni bhi activity related to these fields, this is performed by NAB Kisan. Now coming to the second subsidiary, that is our NAB Samruddhi Finance Limited. So I have given you again the website, but what is the function of NAB Samruddhi? See, we have talked about how NAB Kisan target the farm activities, right? Similarly, the NAB Samruddhi targets the non-farm activity, and the basic target is कि इनको थोड़ा सा promotion, expansion, commercialization and modernization किया जा सके of the non-farm activity. That can be in various way में, through microfinance, MSME, housing, education, but target जो होगा वो same रहेगा in case of NAB Samruddhi. Talking about the third subsidiary of NAB Foundation. So what happened? See, basically NABARD have a department of research, right? But what NAB Foundation do? NAB Foundation complement these research activities. So this is the function of NAB Foundation. You can here see, this is basically taken up by foundation. Beside this, it is also responsible for network coordination and collaboration with various organizations that are also involved in the research. Let's say NABARD millet pe is doing some research, and some institute is there that is also working in millet. So if NABARD want their help, this is basically will be performed by the NAB Foundation, right? So these are the 3 subsidiaries we have talked about. Talking about the other 2, now we have NAB Fins. So what NAB Fins do basically, they are responsible for, we have talked about through the poor people. So farm we have talked about, non-farm we have talked about, and the research we have talked about. So NABARD is also responsible for the whole rural activities, right? So whoever is poor in the rural area, for their upliftment we have NAB Fins. It sees the financial activity in the poor household. Also they are responsible for rural folk of the northeast state. They also give special attention to those also. Coming to NAB Venture. So what NAB Venture do? So this is basically क्या करता है? This investment manager का काम करता है with the fund they have. Right. So what they are targeting? So first one, NAB Kisan, किसान के लिए. Then we have NAB Samruddhi for the non-farm activities. Then we have now NAB Foundation for the research. Then we have NAB Fins for the poor household. Now we have the NAB Venture. Now what they are targeting, be very careful. They are for the startup related to either agriculture या फिर किसी भी agriculture related activity, whether the fisheries, veterinary, food processing, all the startups. ठीक है, यहाँ core term is startups. So that is taken up by NAB Venture. Now coming to the next one, that is NABARD. NABCon. So I think this one the people have heard a lot about, and they frequently ask question also on that. So NABCon is basically NABARD consultancy services. So consultancy की जो services that is needed by the agriculture and allied activity, that is done with NABCon. So NABCon basically is in consultancy services. Now coming to NAB Sanrakshan. So NAB Sanrakshan, what they do, they basically act as a trustee trustee. ठीक है, this is a trustee company and they aim to carry out the credit guarantee and related activity toward the sustainable and equitable agriculture and the rural development, right? So these are basically 7 subsidiaries. I have told you ki, toward what goal they are targeting and what goal they are working, and that you will have to remember. Now if anything, I think for the research many people get interested. If you're from agriculture background, you might be interested in NAB Kisan, that you will have to see on your own. ठीक है, this is basically the consultancy. Now coming to the second interesting fact, that is related to the genesis of NABARD, how NABARD come into being, how NABARD come into existence, what is the story of the start of NABARD. So we are going to talk about this only. So first of all, you should know that basically before NABARD, now all the services related to credit that is given to the rural people, related to agriculture, that was all under the RBI. ठीक है, so RBI was the responsible organization. Now what happened in 1979, government is like, okay, I want not only the cities and the rich people and the the people who already have things or the businesses, not only they should grow, but we should also focus on the agriculture and rural development, how they are getting credit. So for that, what government did, government formed a review committee. The name of the review committee was the CREFI card, that is Committee to Review the Arrangement of Institutional Credit for Agriculture and Rural Development, CREFI card. So this particular committee was formed on 30 March 1979. After that, what happened? On 28 November 1979, the committee submitted the report. It recommended कि okay, if you truly want to grow, कि ठीक है, agriculture and rural development should be done, ठीक है, then you should have a different organization, a separate organization should be there, dedicated only to these activities. So what government did? Government transferred the agriculture credit function of RBI and refinance function. This time पे the name RBI का the branch that was responsible, the name was Agriculture and Refinance Development Corporation, ARDC. So ARDC का function they have taken. They have created NABARD on 12 July 1982 and the activities were transferred to those only. But initially what happened, the 100% share of the NABARD was not with the Government of India. They were shared between Government of India and RBI, but what happened recently, all the share were transferred to the Government of India, that you should know. ठीक है, fully owned by now, this is Government of India, not RBI. Now what happened when NABARD was started? It was initially started with 100 crore ka initial investment or capital. Now if I talk about the recent report that we have of 30 March 2022, NABARD has given 17,080 crore rupees. So you can clearly see here how much they have grown, how well they are working, and why actually behind the door India ka rural population and the agriculture activities are getting uplifted. So NABARD is responsible for that and they are performing really well. So I hope now you have a clear idea ki why you should join NABARD and how well they are working, and that will help you to get motivated. Ki there are a lot of opportunities after you join NABARD as well, and a very cool story for you to tell your friend about NABARD. Now the third question, the third fact is for you to tell I want to know कि you all of you might have seen the NABARD की website. If I talk about the logo of NABARD, that is very clear. We have the agriculture के लिए plant. We have the green color. We have representing agriculture. Then we have white stripe for rural development. Then the hand protecting the agriculture and rural activities. Right. Now I want to know if you have gone in the NABARD की website. So NABARD have this logo. Right. Now do let me know how many of you know कि what is this logo means. So it is in the website. So this logo is basically a banyan tree, right? So NABARD had dedicated this logo to its partner, because see, in banyan tree what happened, the tree is good, the leaves are great, but the greatness of banyan come from the offshoot, right? Whenever the offshoot is set on the land, a new tree will go, banyan tree, right? So offshoot makes the banyan tree great. Similarly, NABARD says that their partner make them great. So this was a little lighter fact compared to other two facts, but I hope now you have a clarity ki how much growth is there in NABARD and how much interesting your job gonna be if you join NABARD. So that was it for the video. If you're new here, do remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you want the content that we uploaded in our channel, then you have to join our Telegram channel. Right. If you get any doubt related to this video, do let me know that in the comment section. Or if you have any doubt related to agriculture, ARD, ESI or NABARD in general, do let me know that in the comment section as well. For any other regulatory body query that you have, you feel free to contact to us, to write to us or check our website. So that will be it for the video. I hope you have liked this video and thank you so much. Have a good day.